What's going on YouTube? Welcome to the channel. It's Mitchy boy here, and gonna build a single color screen printing press today. I don't really like the other one, and the reason for that is, you know, the last one that I put up just on the board, can't really just slide the sheet over top of it. Like, you want to put it on like so. And also I want to make this adjustable so I can move this like out, because my screens are different sizes, and yeah, so I've just got a piece of wood, like I think it's like 2x4, clamped to the railing here. Seems to hold on quite well. It's very well actually. So yeah, pretty much all I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on here with run some pieces of wood down the bottom, just to hold it in place, and then it'll just slide back and forth. And I'm going to cut this on an angle, and then I've got 2 hinge clamps, and I'll put them on a piece of wood, like across the end here. So I'm just going to mount screw this piece of wood on here. I don't know if you can see it or not, just a piece of wood going crossways, and then I'll have hinge mounts on here. Like so. And then I will, yeah, this will be adjustable. And it shouldn't really take too long to make it all, so I will carry on recording, but I probably will just do it as a time lapse. So what I've done here is I've just measured the centre of this piece of wood, and then I've measured the width of the piece of wood where this board's going to sit, and I've put equal amounts. I've like measured the so that was 100 centimeters, no millimeters, and I put 50 on each side of the centre, and then I'm just going to put a piece of wood. I'm going to screw this. I might use this piece of wood, or I might use another piece. To see how long my screws are. They might not go right through. Yeah, I'm probably going to have to use another piece. Alright, so maybe I'll use these. And just going to put one there, one there. And hopefully that's alright, like that. Check over that crack. Where's that crack? Not on that side. So the screws, obviously we want the screws to go, we don't want them to go right through. Just make sure they don't go through to the other side, and they don't. So we'll just clamp these into place along these lines. So they don't move out of place when we're trying to screw. I might have to shorten this piece of board too, but to see. Probably going to have to make some adjustments, but So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's turned out pretty well. Might have to make some adjustments to it, but should be sweet. So yeah, this all just comes down like that, and then obviously this, you can adjust it to the size shirt that you want. Sorry, the screen that you're using. Might have to make some adjustments, but I might put something to make it lock into place maybe. But oh man. So you get that lined up like so. Come down, line it up, make sure it's all lined up. Do a print, lift it up, and the thing that's going to be good about this is, I was wondering, like, when you do a print and like you mess it up, or it doesn't, like, say, like you don't print, like it doesn't print right across, like there's a part missing or something, you can go over it again, because this is in place, and what you do is you spray some kind of like adhesive stuff onto the board, and that keeps the shirt in exactly the same place. If you don't do that, it kind of lifts up when you pull it up, and you just can't get it in the same place again. Like, it's pretty much impossible to get it exactly the same. So yeah, pretty chuffed about that, man. This is probably the best one so far. But yeah, man, it's a beautiful day outside. Probably going to burn some screens and and then go for a tiki tour on my motorbike. So beautiful day. And yeah, cheers guys for watching. Subscribe, definitely subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.